Okay, hi sixth graders. We're gonna learn about prepositional phrases in language arts today. And in our last language arts work, we found prepositions. And that's where you need to start when you find a prepositional phrase, because every prepositional phrase starts with a preposition. And that we're gonna call that P, preposition. Now, if you don't remember what those are, they're listed on page 428 for you, most of them, not all of them, but all right. So once you found the preposition, to find a prepositional phrase, the whole phrase. Now, a phrase is a group of words, so you know you're going to have more than one word. You need to find the object of the preposition. Now, what is the object of the preposition? Well, let me tell you what the object of a preposition is. It's the noun, the first noun that follows the preposition, P. So the object of the preposition is a noun, and it comes after the preposition. So when you're given sentences, what you're going to do is you're going to find the pop. You're going to find the preposition, and then you're going to find the object of the preposition, and you're going to label them. So it's just that easy. You're going to find the prepositional phrase, you're going to write the whole thing out, and then you're going to label the preposition with a P, and you're going to label the object of the preposition with an OP, and then you're going to get a pop, like a popcorn. It's going to pop, okay? So that's what you're going to do. I'm going to show you a couple of examples here so that you do the assignment like I'm asking you to, and you're following these directions for each one. So let's look at a couple of examples. Here we have two sentences, and they're kind of dark, so I'm hoping you can see them. But the first sentence is, the dishes were passed around the table. So we're looking for the preposition first, and I know that in this sentence the preposition is around. So I'm going to write the whole prepositional phrase, which would be around the table. Okay? And I'm going to, just so that this looks nice and neat, I'm going to have it recognize around the table. Great. Now, around is the preposition. Oh, around, we know, is the preposition. Now, what is the noun that follows around? It follows around. It's table. So table is the object of the preposition. So for each one of these, you're going to find the prepositional phrase or phrases, and you're going to label them preposition, object of the preposition. Okay? Got one more sample here for you. Here, this sentence says, the representatives from each state came to the meeting. Now, I know some of you out there are already saying, I know what it is, I know what it is, and that's great. I'm happy that you do. So, there are actually two prepositional phrases in here because there are two prepositions. The first preposition is from, and the second preposition is to. So I'm going to have two prepositional phrases that I'm going to write. So from each state. State's a thing. So that's the first noun after the preposition from. So, and then the second preposition is to the meeting. And just for consistency, I'm going to recognize these. Hopefully, it's going to recognize them for me. Let's see, from each state. Great. Let's see if it's going to recognize this. Recognize to the meeting. Yes, we'll make that a little bit smaller. To the meeting. And then we have to label them. So, I'm going to label this. From is the preposition, state is the object of the preposition. For this one, to is the preposition, and meeting is the object of the preposition. So I have found the prepositional phrases, and I have labeled the preposition and the object of the preposition, making each one a pop. Okay? So that's your assignment, or that's what you're going to do on 1 through 10 on page 1, starting on page 430, sorry, 1 through 10, and then on 11 through 15, they're asking you to fill in the blank with a preposition. Now, you don't have to write the sentence, you just have to write the preposition. Prepositional phrase they're asking you to add. So that's the assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I will be happy to help you out with that. All right, have a great day.